Hi there. In this video we'll fix a laptop with this particular error. Critical process died. When trying to load Windows, it reboots by itself, enters a boot loop where automatic repair tries to fix it. It's unable to do anything, so tried system restore, tried to uninstall latest updates, tried to do a reset without a bootable drive directly from this thing. Nothing works. So this is messed up really badly. Yeah, it will do its thing and yeah, nope, nothing works. Anyway, sorry about the focus. So what you need to fix this: create a bootable Windows 10 thumb drive. I will link in the description how you can create one of these. It's quite simple. You just need a thumb drive with at least 8 gigabytes. A thumb drive that is at least 8 gigabytes because it will get formatted. So you don't use one with personal stuff on it or something like that, you will lose it. So an empty thumb drive. And then you need to boot from it. I will also link a series of videos in the description which show you how to boot from thumb drives on lots of laptops, lots of models and brands. So you can see that there, and I am on a HP, so in this video I'm just going to show you on this particular HP how you boot from the thumb drive and what we will do next. So for the moment, shut it off. Hold for a few seconds and it's off. So let's get to it. Powering it on now. And we need to press escape for the startup menu. It's quite simple on this this particular model. Hopefully it registered, and it did not register because why would it? I am going to just hold escape next time. I kind of hate this when you get a message on screen but that message actually means nothing. I'm going to just press OK. As you can see, you need to press it quite soon and quite fast to get into that menu. And yeah, it has a optical drive, so it waits to read it, whatever. Let's see, boot device options, F9. So give it an F9, and USB hard drive, generic flash drive. That is what I have plugged into this thing. So hit it and we are booting from the USB drive at this point, and focus. Yeah, anyway. It will take a bit of time. This is an old and slow drive, so be back when this thing actually loads the Windows setup itself. Okay, at this point it's standard setup. For me, yeah, Romanian. And keys, I think they are what are they? US? I'm guessing it's the US format on this particular keyboard, hopefully. Okay, and hit next. I could see if repair your computer works. I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to try something else. Maybe we are a bit lucky. No, we have the same options as automatic recovery shows us, so that doesn't help at all. Continue and go back to Windows setup environment, hopefully. Or does these stupid things rebooting? Okay, so don't do what I did. Please wait. What are you doing? Is it booting again and taking us exactly to the same point? Yeah, ignore that step where I tried to use the repair option. Okay, what are you doing? No, this is just dumb. Let me boot again from the thumb drive. Be back when I am at the same step I was 2 minutes ago. And at this point we are not going to touch that thing anymore. Install now. I already used all the options from the repair in previous attempts. Other videos, I will link them in the description. Nothing works, so that's gone. This thing, no, it's Windows 10. It will activate by itself. Don't have a product key, whatever. It will take it from Windows servers. And yeah, Windows 10 Pro. Home education. No, does this thing have a Pro license on it? I need to investigate. I'm not sure if it's Pro or Home, so if I install the wrong one, it will not activate by itself. Just remember, this thing doesn't have a Windows sticker on it, so I have no idea what it is, but I'm guessing it was a Pro machine. So I'm going with Windows 10 Pro. But why, what? I just realized it just showed me x86. Why didn't it give me x64 variants? This thing is only 32-bit on my thumb drive. Okay, I'm going to go make a 64-bit thumb drive. What? And this is better. x64 we have now. And let's give it a next. Yeah, of course we accept the license. Install Windows and keep files, settings and applications. Let's try this one if we are lucky. Nope, not working that one, so I'm going to go back to the same thing once again really quickly. So we need to simply put Windows 10 on top of the old one manually, so we do not lose our files. And I think this is the partition. Yep, this is the partition. So next contains the previous Windows. These files will be moved to Windows old, exactly what we want, so we do not lose our files. Blah 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 blah. Okay, snap copying files, and it will do its routine, and hopefully next we have a running Windows without that pesky error. And finally this thing is working, so I just have some final settings to make, and then we should be booted up in Windows, and our old files should still exist on the hard drive. And this thing is finally working, so don't forget to give the video a like if it also works for you. Bye.